actually, like maybe 2 weeks ago. It was around Thanksgiving, and I had a lot of questions there. As in why all the children followed a snowman. Nobody questioned why he was talking, and, you know, everybody thought that was normal. The little girl decided to leave her family and follow a snowman with some creepy older guy chasing them for a hat. You know, nobody called the cops. Nobody went looking for him, filed any missing reports. You know, we don't question it. That was fun. Alright, have a wonderful holiday. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, all of the other holidays, and have a great, amazing, safe New Year's. I don't know when I'll be back. I won't be back. I won't be gone for long.